something that we have to keep a close eye on to make sure cyclone doesn't change direction and come in from the vision to see a whole new side of the sun.
Yo, good afternoon guys. It is now 6:20 in the afternoon. The whole day it was really sunny and now it looks like it is going to rain. Yeah, according to the news there will be a rain in the coming days, and if you've seen the videos, the news, there are so much flooding previously, like yesterday, 2 days ago, particularly in Sydney. Yeah, there are some really dangerous things happening around. Yeah, I decided to wash all my laundry because we are expecting a rain in the coming days, and yeah, drying clothes when it's raining is difficult. Yo, good afternoon guys. No, good morning. It's still 11:30. We are going to work now. Oh, a lot of people this time. The dog is going to do the nice. Yeah, my duty today is 12 o'clock. I was coming from 3 days off. It was a long days off because, you know, before my day off I worked from 6 o'clock in the morning until 2 o'clock, and then yeah, I was free from then until now for 3.5 days off. It's something like that. But I didn't do anything much from the previous days. I was just on my computer learning new things. Good morning guys. At the moment I'm editing a video. It is already 9 o'clock in the morning. I wake up at around I wake up at around 7 o'clock, and yeah, I'm preparing my breakfast. I already had the coffee from the time that I wake up, and yeah, and I'm editing a video. I'm here because, you know, just to make it different from the usual one. I usually stay in the table, but here's good. I'm also, yeah, and then when I get lazy, I stay here, I watch TV, get the telephone, tang 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 tang. I was coming from 1 day off. Yesterday is my day off. I did nothing. I'm just on my computer editing some video and doing some research, learning new things. And today my duty is 12 o'clock. It is raining outside. It's been raining yesterday, but I still managed to go out yesterday to go to the grocery, walk a little bit in the beach. Yeah, and then there was a rain the whole night. Also this morning it was raining. It is slowed down a little bit. And I don't know, it's okay if it is raining by 11, that by the time that I go to work it's okay because I have my raincoat, my rain jacket, rain trousers, so yeah, it's okay. Let's check that one. It's just really a nice wind breeze. I'm actually just going to put this soy sauce here, and look how not healthy is this one. There is just 1-star rating. Yeah, because healthy food, they said, is having this 5-star rating. If you compare to this oil, this has 5-star rating. And the soy sauce, that's just one. Instead of just sauteing this, I'm going to make it like a pancit. And noodles, because I still have one of this. I like cooking it this way. You put directly the noodles to the this. Because you know, most of the restaurant, they usually soften first the noodles, put it in the water or in the little hot water or warm water just to soften the noodles, and then they mix it with the other ingredients and just mix it and it's ready to serve. I don't like to do that because, you know, this way it really absorbs the flavor when you cook it this way. This is what I see from the people cooking in the Philippines. Just a little. Yeah, that's it. And you've seen that I just put everything in the pot, and it's like that now. That's sinigang. Bakit? Ayos man, birthday ko eh. Okay, I just finished chatting with my brother. A video call from the Philippines. And yeah, I was chatting while eating my breakfast. And this is now the leftover and pancit, seafood pancit. And this just mixed seafoods, tomato, green beans, and sinigang mix. Good, sour. I like it. Yeah, we are going to work now. This is how it is today. It is raining. That is why I'm wearing something like this. You can see the water is calm like that. Yeah, this rain is good because, you know, it's going to stop the fire. There are still some fire